Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Flight A380 to London. Please take your assigned seat and place smaller items completely underneath the seat in front of you and larger items in the overhead bins. If you need assistance, a flight attendant will be happy to help. Ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing for departure. Please ensure your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back and tray table are upright, and all carry-on items are stowed. Ladies and gentlemen, all cellular devices must have airplane mode turned on. Thank you. Flight attendants, arm doors and cross-check. While waiting for pushback, please pay attention to safety video we now play.
Hello and welcome on board your Emirates flight today. This is your no-nonsense safety video. We do not have dancers breaking into song, characters from movies, or celebrities trying to be funny, I'm afraid.
But at Emirates, safety always comes first. So it's important that we take you through some safety features before takeoff, and then you all can get back to our award-winning entertainment system. So, here we go.
Please make sure you have placed all your bags up here in the overhead locker.
Or, if you have smaller bags, you can place them here in front of you.
In first class, there are storage areas inside your suite.
And if you have a laptop, it needs to be turned off. Then put it in the overhead locker.
For takeoff, you need to put away your table, TV and footrest. Open your window blinds, and all seats need to be completely upright.
Also, we recommend you keep your shoes on for takeoff and landing.
Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the sign is on. You can tighten the seatbelt by pulling this strap and lift the top like this to unfasten it.
We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're in your seat, and if you're sleeping with a blanket, fasten the seatbelt over the top so we do not have to disturb you.
For departure, please keep your devices on flight mode or switch them off until we're in the air. Should you drop your device, please do not rush to find it. We will be more than happy to help, and this could avoid moving the seats, which could damage your phone.
Everyone knows it's now illegal to smoke on board, but just for clarity, this also includes electronic smoking devices.
Hello all passenger, Lego is your cabin crew manager today on Emirate flight. If you need any help, please tell cabin crew we're happy to help you.
Pull the mask towards you like this to start the flow of oxygen. Put the mask over your mouth and nose, adjust the strap, and breathe normally. And always put your own mask on first before you help anyone else.
In the unlikely event of an emergency, when cabin crew tell you to brace, lean forward against the seat in front of you, like this. And like this if you're holding an infant.
Or lean forward with your arms tucked under your legs, like this.
There are life jackets under or to the side of your seat. Remove the life jacket and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten at the front. Pull firmly to make sure it's secure.
Hello passengers and alarm. As senior flight cabin crew ask us anything, we are happy to help.
Pull the two red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. There's a light and whistle on your life jacket to attract attention. Cabin crew will give out life jackets or life cots for infants.
Take a moment to find the emergency exit nearest to your seat. Look back, as it may be behind you.
There are 16 emergency exits on this Airbus A380. 10 on the main deck and 6 on the upper deck.
If we need to evacuate, leave all your bags behind and follow the lights on the floor to your nearest exit. Take off high-heeled shoes before you use the safety slides.
Thank you for your attention. And if you need a reminder of any of the safety steps, you can check the safety card in your seat pocket or ask us at any time.
We're now going to make the final preparations for departure. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your Emirates flight.
Our Colleagues will be with you once we are airborne to ensure you receive our Fly Better experience. Thank you for flying at Emirates.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff. This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin our in-flight service. Our crew will be coming through the cabin with food and beverages. Lounge is now open. Millie will help you service lounge. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. We've been told by air traffic control to expect some moderate turbulence up ahead. We'll try our best to give you a smooth ride, but expect some bumps over the next couple of minutes.
Passengers, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened during the turbulence.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew will be coming through the cabin shortly to collect any trash. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew will be coming through the cabin shortly to collect any trash. Thank you.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Passenger about how we soon arrived at London. Thank you.
We are now landing in London. Please put away devices, put on your seatbelt, put your tray table up. Thank you. Enjoy this.
Lounge is now closed. Please didn't enter at this time. Thank you once again. Thank you for choosing Emirate.
We have arrived at London. Devices may be used, laptops may be put away. Keep your seatbelt fastened. Thank you for choosing Emirates, your home in the skies. D.
We disarmed all. As you prepare to leave the aircraft, please check around your seat and in the seat back pocket for any personal belongings. Cabin crew, disarm doors and cross-check.
If you are connecting to another flight, please check the terminal monitors for your gate and departure information. On behalf of the flight crew, thank you for flying with us today. We hope you enjoyed your flight and enjoy your stay if this is your final destination.
Passenger, please wait until the seatbelt sign is turned off before exiting the aircraft. Thank you for flying Emirates.
you.